do that. Get a larger number of get a larger number of diversely qualified and experienced students into each program. Ensure hostel accommodation judiciously planned if you have a hostel, otherwise you can skip that. Being the best in the class, experts from academia and industry to provide capstone projects, lectures in each subject. Take out a small portion of a tech. Take out a small portion of some other university. Encapsulate that. Add it to your level and give them a new project, new lecture. You can do that. These are all modules. You can choose all of them. You can choose one of them. You need not choose. You choose only two of them. You can do anything of your choice. This is the right mix of how you have to perform. Means this is a tool that you should keep it with yourself for everything, for any day. Next. Create innate curiosity to learn and discover. Build application intelligence. Encourage development in a single domain sector expertise. Expose students to best-in-class research work and seminars. Reward originality and serve on cut and don't serve on custom base. You know, when they do cut and paste Google base, ignore that. Okay. Then encourage super specialization in the area of interest with each student. Get students to write through leadership articles in areas of interest. Ensure faculty and train and constitute collaborative teaching tools. One thing I have always seen that when we teach students, just take one thing from them, where their inclination lies. उनके inclination अगर मालूम पड़ गया कि he may be an engineer, but his inclination may be in music. He may be an engineer, his inclination may be in food. He may be an engineer, his inclination may be in something else. Develop engineering capability in that area of music, of food, of something. Same engineering can be applied to these areas. Next. Develop a broader outlook beyond salaries, roles and past records. Help students understand broad competencies in different levels and organizational grassroots experience to build such competencies. Get students to focus on possibilities and not the salary and offer. Get the student to understand the past reputation in a specific sector would not matter when the economy shifts gear. Help students to develop both an angle and home view on issues. Both eagle and home view. You have an eagle view and a home view. Both. Both they should be exposed. We only say this sector is growing, this sector is growing, this sector is growing. Give them both. And when the economy shifts gear, the whole thing changes. And we don't give them that kind of thing. Like everybody wanted to become an IT, and suddenly पता चला कि IT एकदम big हो गया. Everybody wanted to get into pharmacy, and today we find that there is no takers for pharmacy.